Okay, got the replacement oxygen sensor from Amazon, and this is a pricey oxygen sensor. And also this is the old one, it's also NTK. I was surprised that this is NTK Japan, and it doesn't look old though. Yep, it doesn't look old, so kind of weird that it died prematurely, the heating element. So this one, yep, this is really tough to get. I have to like remove the bracket. See that one? I have to remove the bracket there so that I could take it off. Yep, this is a pain in the butt to work on. It's really hard because you cannot see what you're pulling. Yep, pulling the plug is actually way harder than pulling the oxygen sensor. Pulling the oxygen sensor is like, initially it's too tight, but once you crack it loose, it's easy. So if you remove the bracket, oh crap. If you remove the bracket, you could actually like access this connector here. And the way to remove it from the bracket is to actually push this down. Yep, I mean outwards. Like this. When you push it outwards, it will get loosened to the bracket like that. So it's actually it's positioned like this up. It's going down like this. Oh, sorry. Yeah, like this. So you move this going to the engine side, and then try to slide it out. If you cannot slide it out, you need to pry it with the flathead screwdriver on this side, because sometimes it gets stuck. I use a flathead screwdriver here, a big one, to dislodge it from the bracket. Yep, now I could actually like see what I'm pulling and releasing or pushing the tab, and then I could connect it. Let's see, it's hard to position my phone here and the lights. So you need the light here. But you know the drill. Yeah, you connect this plug with this one. So here I am trying to, yep, one click, and then I'm gonna find the bracket. Yep. Find the bracket and put it in place. It's hard to find where the bracket is. Okay, now I'm tightening the bolts, the bracket bolt. Yep. Tighten it. Yep. And I'm going to check if I didn't break any connectors in here while working. All the hoses are good. Yep. And the oxygen sensor should be there. Yep. Okay, got the car started. Check engine light still on. We need to reset it. I can't use my phone to record and run my diagnostic tools. No more check engine light after clearing it. We'll try test see if we have a pending one.